I know what I'm doing, just gotta figure things out. This is the one I really needed to be on. And here's the cable right back there in the wall. Probably one of these. Don't know why they do things this way back in the days. Can't be that one. Sure looks like this one here. Well, why all scattered around? I got no idea. Man, even this one was basically open. So I'm good to go, start to do my work. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Fuse panel, a lot of work to do. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, taking my time, step by step. This one here, I had it in, came out, made sure it was in, came out, got it in, came out. Seems like there's a ghost. A little loose. I'm going to take my time and work on this. Not sure why that's behind where I cannot get to the screw. I labeled it blue. Blue. Time to pull that out. That's what these two wires are. It goes to that one there and this one here. And I see I got a spare one. So now I got two spare. Looks like you may not see it, but right here, my thumb, right there, not good. This line, oh my God. Could have been a real hazard. It's a line, hands on it. If I need to put it back in, I will cut it, make a junction box, go that route. Made a note. I should add which circuit breakers it came off. Run my new line in. Going to leave the slack for a future box. That simple. I'm on there and I'm going to be over here and I'm going to simply slide it up and hook it on. Lock it down. Three checks. I'm good. Pack this all in and go check out error 72 for a reset. I just don't like going into the fuse panels. More and more I go, more nervous we all get. Some people just don't worry about it. These two are going to be off. These two are my front AC. These two, good. I'm all good to go. I'm going to go mark down my paper 6 and 8 front AC. So this could come off. Incorrect. Fujitsu 24,000 BTU. We have error code 72. The first slash will flash how many times of an error. The second one of the timer. And the third of the continuous economy. Fujitsu support, technical support, says reset by shutting the breaker off for 10 minutes. The unit should come back on without the codes. On a HVAC forum, these people are only about themselves and the outsiders. They don't want to know you. Press the on button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. 72 code. Did not clear by Fujitsu General Technical Support. Time to go look at the outside unit. That is the compressor, temperature, sensor, error. The unit is in the on state. You're looking in the back where my finger is at. Yellow, red, blue, green. The green back here is your temp sensor. That will be the brown wire right where my index finger is at. You simply unplug it, take a reading in the ohms to the desired temperature, which will be 0.5 for the temperature of today, which is about 50-ish degrees. It should maybe 0.15. Plug it back in. Fingers crossed, turn your air conditioner on. The unit works. We now close up. That is how simple it is to correct an issue where people just simply guess the solution for you to figure out. Thank you very much for viewing. You ever come across a code known as 72, compressor, temperature, sensor, error? The single green light is going to blink 7 times. Then there's going to be a orange timer 2 times. That is the way you read the code. You go to the book, you look at the code. Then you go to mobile technician. Simply read the information they give you. It takes a half an hour for the whole system to load up. It's all about Fujitsu General. It tells you how to troubleshoot and fix the error. I joined a site a forum. Go to the dealer, go to the contractor, call the technician. These are the people that do not know the answer. I've taken the time. I'm going to show you which is the plug you're looking for of the temp sensor. It can be a jar during transportation, and I am the first person to fix the issue on YouTube. So let's go out to the air conditioner and show you where it's located.